Imagine a student who has spent 3 years preparing for a government exam. Every morning they study, they spend money on coaching, books, and test series. They postpone other career options because they believe one government job can give them stability. Now, imagine that after the exam, instead of celebrating the result, they start asking, was the examination conducted fairly? This is the story behind the Hindu editorial on student protest in Ranchi. In Jharkhand, students have been protesting over alleged irregularities in recruitment examination conducted by JPSC and JSSC. The immediate controversy is around the 14th JPSC Civil Service preliminary examinations. Students have raised questions about the merit list, cutoff, and exam process. The government has responded with investigations and other measures. But for UPSC, we should look beyond the immediate controversy. The bigger question is what happens when young people stop trusting the recruitment system? This takes us to our first UPSC concept, good governance. Good governance means transparency, accountability, responsiveness, and rule of law. If an examination is conducted by the government, candidates should know the rules, understand how they are evaluated, receive results on time, and have a credible grievance redressal mechanism. There is also a constitutional connection. Article 16 guarantees equality of opportunities in public employment, while Article 14 provides the broader principle of equality and non arbitrariness. So, a fair examination is not simply an administrative issue, it is connected to equality of opportunity. Now comes the bigger picture. Why do students depend so heavily on government jobs? Because when private and alternative employment opportunities are limited, a government job becomes a major source of economic security and social mobility. And that creates a cycle. Limited employment opportunities, huge competition for government jobs, high stakes examinations, concerns about fairness, loss of institutional trust, protests. There is also an important dilemma. Suppose an examination is cancelled because of some serious irregularities. They may protect the integrity of the system. But what about the students who genuinely cleared the examinations? So the government has to balance institutional integrity with fairness to genuine candidates. And finally, the editorial gives us a long-term solution. Yes, examination systems needs to become more transparent, predictable and accountable. But government must also diversify employment opportunities through manufacturing, MSMEs, services, entrepreneurship and skill development. So the real lesson from this editorial is a fair recruitment system is not only about selecting candidate. It's about maintaining citizens' trust in the state. For UPSC, this connects the editorial connects with GS2 governance and constitution, GS3 employment, and GS4 ethics and ESG. Thank you.